What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. I'm really excited for today's video because I finally got my hands on the infamous and game-changing Samsung Galaxy Fold, so stick around. Welcome back, and the Samsung Galaxy Fold was originally announced back in April, with a release date slated for an April release. However, as I'm sure you probably already know, Samsung sent out a few review units to some bigger outlets such as CNET, Wall Street Journal, Forbes, etc. for real-world testing. And what they discovered was that there was a layer of the screen that appeared to be a built-in screen protector. However, it was actually a very important piece of the display. Now, people were actually ripping this off, thinking again that it was a screen protector, resulting in severe damage. There was also dirt, dust, and debris sliding into the device through a small opening in the hinge mechanism that helps the device open and close. With the early units having difficulties, Samsung decided to ask for all the review units back and ultimately scrap the April launch. Then Samsung had announced that they have resolved all the issues with the Fold and that they were going to re-release the awesome device. Samsung officially launched the Galaxy Fold in Korea and then in the United States a week later. So the Samsung Galaxy Fold officially went on sale September 27th. And I'd have to say that I officially got too excited and ordered 2 models. Without further delay, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So first off, I have to say this is an extremely nice box. We have the word Galaxy sort of wrapped around the front of the box. Sliding open the box for the very first time, we're presented with 2 more boxes, with the interior portion of the box again saying Galaxy wrapped around the front. And as I remove the interior white portion of the box, you can see that the black box looks like something similar you see in like a doctor's office that'll hold a magazine. It's a little hard to see, but the white box also has the word Galaxy wrapped around the front. Lifting the lid on the box, we're presented with the Galaxy Fold itself. We'll go ahead and place that off to the side for a moment. Next up, we have a cardboard insert. We'll place that off to the side as well. And we have what appears to be a message on a wax piece of paper. It says, "Unfold the future, meet your Galaxy Fold. Welcome to an entirely new era that will change the way you interact, communicate, and experience life every day. Galaxy Fold reimagines the smartphone screen and employs tissue-thin layers of new materials to produce never-before-seen screen flexibility. Precisely refined, slender, and encased luxuriously finished materials, Galaxy Fold lets you fully immerse yourself to whatever you need, wherever you are, in the palm of your hand. Meet your Galaxy Fold." Next, we're presented with another pamphlet that says Galaxy Fold Premier Service. Your Galaxy Fold comes with specialized customer care services designed to deliver the best possible foldable experience to our valued customers. So if we have Fold Concierge, 24-hour service. So if you need assistance exploring the unprecedented design of the Galaxy Fold may require some additional support in the beginning. Trained experts are available to ensure your experience with the Galaxy Fold is great. So this is a 24-hour call center if you need help with or if you're having any problems with the Galaxy Fold. Next up, we have a 1-year screen replacement offer. So to give you peace of mind with this exciting new screen technology, we're offering a one-time out-of-warranty screen replacement within 1 year of purchase for the special price of $149 plus taxes. That's if you purchased your Galaxy Fold before December 31st, 2019. And lastly, to find more details about the Galaxy Fold Premier service, you can scan the QR code. Next up, we have what appears to be another pamphlet-style packaging. Let's go ahead and open that up and see what it contains. So it appears to be, first off, a user's manual for the Fold. So on the top left-hand corner, it reminds you once again to not apply a screen protector to the front display. It also lets you know that we have a camera in the front, volume indicator on the side, and a fingerprint scanner on the side. It also lets you know that you have AT&T video call, also that you have wireless power share capabilities with the Galaxy Fold, and that app continuity works great here on the Galaxy Fold as well. Next up, we have a terms and condition guide containing health and safety information. We also have some instructions on how to install the included case, as well as a SIM ejection tool. Here's a closer look at that case. It has an extremely soft interior, and the outer portion of the case appears to be made out of carbon fiber. We also have a Fold emblem down in the left-hand corner. Also included is a fast charger, as well as an adapter for transferring data between 2 Android devices. Along the interior of the bigger box is a smaller box containing both a USB-A to USB-C power cord and some additional earbud tips. And the included ear tips are for the wireless Galaxy Buds that Samsung includes free. These are exceptionally good wireless earbuds. If you haven't tried them yet, you should definitely give them a try. And now let's get to the star of the show, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Now as you can see, we do have some care instructions on the front of the screen. So on top it says, do not press the screen with a hard or sharp object, such as a pen or a fingernail, or apply excessive pressure. Below that it says, when folding the device, do not place any objects such as cards, coins, or keys on the screen. The device is not water or dust resistant, so do not expose to liquids or small particles. It says do not attach any adhesives, such as films or stickers, to the main screen or remove the top protective layer. And lastly, it says your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets, such as a credit card, an implantable medical device, or anything of that nature. And something I'd like to mention as we move on to the actual device is that Samsung definitely delivered an exceptional unboxing experience. Removing the plastic from the front of the display, all I can say is wow. This device looks incredibly awesome and it feels awesome in the hand. The Samsung Galaxy Fold has a total of 6 cameras, 3 on the back, 2 on the main display, and 1 on the front. It has 2 displays. The front has a 4.6-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1680 by 720, and the interior screen has a stunning 7.3-inch dynamic AMOLED display made of a revolutionary polymer material layered for slim flexibility, and boasts a resolution of 2152 by 1536, which is 362 ppi. Now in regards to under the hood, we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with an Adreno 640 GPU, and it's running Android 9 VIP with Samsung's One UI skin on top. We also get an amazing 12GB of RAM and a generous 512GB of memory. The Galaxy Fold is like having 2 smartphones in one, so one of the benefits of that is that you get 2 smartphone batteries in one smartphone. With that being said, on board is a 4,380 mAh battery that features 15-watt fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and 9-watt wireless power share technology. Also included in the device is Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, USB Type-C, a fingerprint sensor, dual speakers, and much more. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the device, you can see we have a speaker, as well as a microphone and our USB Type-C charging port. Located on the right side are the volume up and down buttons, the power button, and the fingerprint sensor. On the left side is our SIM card tray, and on the top is our speaker as well as a microphone. Along the interior of the device are 2 more cameras, one's a 10 megapixel and the other being an 8 megapixel. And as I mentioned earlier, Samsung had some early issues with dust and debris getting under the screen, but as you can see they added this T to help ensure that doesn't happen. And located on the back is a triple camera system with a 16 megapixel camera, a 12 megapixel camera, and another 12 megapixel camera. That top 16 megapixel lens is going to be an ultra wide lens with an f2.2 aperture, and the lens in the center, the first of the 2 12 megapixel lenses, is a f1.5 to f2.4 and a wide angle or standard, if you will. And the second 12 megapixel camera, or the lens on the bottom, is a telephoto lens that comes in at f2.4. Okay, finally we got all that out of the way. Now let's go ahead and hit the power button and see if we got some juice. And as you can see, we do. And as the phone boots up, you can see it says Samsung Galaxy Fold, secured by Knox, powered by Android. And we're taken to the first screen, which says exactly how I feel. Let's go. Samsung first starts you off with a video tutorial on just how to use the Fold. Now you might be tempted to skip through this section, however I do highly recommend checking it out. It takes you through steps like app continuity, along with great ways to use the multitasking features. Before you're greeted with the user interface, you're presented with this warning again about before you get started, some of the things to remember not to do. Now once we've acknowledged the fragility of this device, we can go ahead and get started with the user interface. Now my first impressions are that the screen looks amazing, and let's go ahead and fold it up for the very first time and see how that feels. Now pushing it at the bottom instead of the screen is the best way to close it, and I have to say that it definitely feels unnatural to close a phone, but satisfying at the same time. Now when the device is closed, it reminds me of an old Nokia, but a touchscreen style Nokia. Now I've seen a lot of articles where people are saying that the front 4.6-inch display is too small to type on. I'd have to disagree. I have been playing with the device for around 20 minutes now off camera, and I have to say that it's pretty nice to have a screen that's small and then a screen that's big when you want it. So if you want to use the device one-handed, it's perfect using the outside screen. However, if you're watching a movie, watching a YouTube video, or just browsing the internet or looking at photos possibly, you're going to want to use that big screen. So I think it's the best of both worlds. And to me, that equals a truly unique experience. When the device is closed, it legit looks like two Samsung Galaxy S10s on top of each other. The app continuity seems to work extremely fluid, so changing from the outer screen into the interior screen, the app seems to work perfectly and flawlessly, leaving you in the exact location where you left off on the outer screen. I'm going to do some extensive testing and create an in-depth review of the Samsung Galaxy Fold, so if you're interested in checking that out, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that content. I'm going to be doing some speed tests, some camera comparisons. I'm also going to be doing some gaming, as well as an extensive review as I mentioned earlier. I also have two Galaxy Folds, so let me know down in the comment section below what you think I should do with the other one. I'm extremely excited to be a Galaxy Fold owner, and I'll be creating video updates here on the channel, updating you guys on just how my experience goes with the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And at this point in the video, I'd just like to say shout out to Samsung for being true innovators and pioneers in the tech space when it comes to smartphones. They've been on the cutting edge of technology for the last couple of years, and I have to say that it definitely takes courage to come out with a brand new device in a whole new category like the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So shout out to Samsung. Now this is just an unboxing and first impressions video, so leave me some questions down in the comments section if there's any questions that you would like to see me answer in the full review video. Be sure to check me out on my new Twitter account, Tech with Aaron HD. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to drop a like rating down below and also subscribe to the channel for future content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron and I'll see you guys on the next one.